Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram message button if it's not working. Sometimes you might tap on the message button and nothing happens. This happens to a lot of people and it's really easy to fix. So first of all, close Instagram completely. Swipe it out from your app switcher, wait a few seconds, then reopen your Instagram. Sometimes this alone can solve the issue. After that, check for updates. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, simply tap on it. Updates often fix bugs like this. After that, double check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. You can even try using Instagram from a browser to see if the message button works there. After that, restart your phone. A simple restart can refresh your system and fix minor glitches. And finally, try logging out and logging back into Instagram. Open the app, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three lines menu at the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down and tap on logout. After that, sign back in. This can reset your account connection and fix the messaging issue. And that's all. By following these steps, your Instagram message button should work normally again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.